This video is how to install a rear camera on the rear windshield of the car. So it's not too hard to get the cable to go back through the liner back to the car, but then you get to this part and you really kind of want to bring it up through this weatherproof cable, and that gets a little tricky. I'm going to show you that. So right now I've pulled this liner down a little bit, and the cable comes up under here, and it came up through this access hole. And previously I just used a screwdriver to help pop this off. Okay, so what I've done so far, I've used a 1/4-inch wooden dowel, and I've pushed it through this rubber connecting grommet so it sticks out the other end. What I'm going to do next, my cable has a quick disconnect right here, so you can take that off. And what I'm going to use is some electrical tape to attach the end of this dowel in line with the connector. So I'm going to line up the connector, get that, and you're going to be putting quite a bit of force on this, pulling it through. So you really want as much friction as you can get. So get a really good tight connection on the dowel, double back like that, and really wrap it tight. Wrap it tight, because you don't really want it coming loose inside of there. Okay, so now that that's connected, I'm gonna gently pull this through and try to help push it also to get it started. And oh, I can feel it wanting to go through. Oh, there. Tell you, that was really lucky. Went that easy. Okay, that's it. And then we're gonna feed this through in underneath here and set up the camera. But this is definitely the hardest part. So good luck.